Hi again, 113 and 115. Here it is, Miss Amy, and teaching math from the kitchen again. And it is Mathtastic Tuesday in the middle of our Zoom theme. All right, so we're going to do another dice thing because I kind of like having the manipulatives and it's fun to have a little action with our math. But today we're going to do graphing. We'll incorporate some addition also, but we're going to work on graphing so that we can also think about some of those math concepts like more and less and equal. So I put these PDFs on the Edmodo site. Here is the pictures, and you can print them out and make a dice if you want to, but I didn't have any stiff paper at home. So what I ended up doing is I cut these out and then I glue sticked them onto my cube. Ha! Ingenious, right? And see, you don't even have a glue stick and you don't want to do all that or print those out. You could also give each animal a coordinating letter and write the letter on a little cube and roll the dice that way. Or you can make a key that the number 1 equals the lion and the number 2 equals the zebra and so on and so forth. So lots of different ways that you can do this at home and still have fun. And I also have on there our graph sheet, and you can see all the animals down here and the numbers up here. And we're going to color in the amount of times we roll the dice and land one of these animals. And then there's a worksheet that you can do with these more or less questions. And then you could also create your own math problems with the add 'em up sheet. But let's go ahead and do our graphing. And I'm going to use my color crayons to fill in. You could use one color if you want, but I kind of like to mix it up a little bit. So I'm using my color crayons just so I have something different to do. And I'm picking the number 10. I'm picking the number 10. And there we go. We're going to roll the dice 10 times and see which animal comes up first or the most. In fact, let's predict now. I wonder what animal will come up the most. You gotta guess? You gotta guess? Elephant? You think elephant's gonna come up the most? All right, let's see if you're right. Okay, here we go. 10 times we're gonna roll the dice. I'm gonna put my name up here on my paper. And I'm gonna give myself a little tally mark so I know how many times I've rolled the dice. Ready? Here we go. Whoa, first one. I believe that's the pelican. So I'm gonna one time, I'm going to color that square in. And I've rolled the dice one time. All right, here we go again. The tiger came up. And I got blue for the tiger. That's 2. And, lion. All right. And my lion, that's 3. Monkey. It's kind of one of my favorite animals. Monkey. And I'm coloring in one time for the monkey. Putting another tally mark, that's 4 times. Zebra. Look at, I'm getting them each once. Interesting. There's 5 times. I'm going to try to roll that again. I almost throw that in the dog's dish. Zebra came up again. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I rolled the dice 6 times. Tiger. And tiger. There's 7 times. Got the tiger again. There you go. Let's count that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. There is the toucan. Hush. All right. Did I put a tally mark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Okay, last time. Here we go. And I got the zebra. Well, look at there. The elephant didn't come up at all. Okay, so here we go. And you could roll the dice more. I'm just rolling it 10 times to show you how to play. So maybe you decide to roll the dice 15 times and see what would come up. Or maybe you decide to roll the dice 20 times and see what your graph would look like. But I'm rolling it 10 times because that was the decision I made. And let's see what we come up with. On this piece of paper, it says, color the one you rolled the most. Which ones look like the most to you? So the graph would be highest for the one with the most. Well, these two are the same and they have the most. So I'm going to color my zebra, and I'm going to color my tiger. Now my question says, color the one you rolled the least. Which one did I roll the least? The least means it's to be the smallest number, the one with the lowest amount. Which one does that look like? Well, the elephant didn't get any, so that would be 0, and 0 would be the lowest amount. So I'm going to color my elephant. There we go. Now it says, color the ones you rolled an equal amount. Well, there's a lot that I rolled an equal amount. The zebra and the tiger were both the most. They are equal amounts. So I'm going to color the zebra and the tiger. But wait a minute, I have 2 other equal amounts. Yep, that's right. The lion and the monkey, they both have 1. They are both equal. So I'm coloring those too. All right, and now we're going to use our greater than, less than, or equal to fill in the blanks. All right, so I'm going to say the question is, was the lion greater than, less than, or equal to the toucan? Well, the lion has 1 and the toucan has 2. 1 is less than 2. So we're going to fill that in like this. The lion was less than the toucan. And remember, we kind of started working on this in school, and we're remembering the alligator mouth, if you think of it like an alligator mouth, will always want to eat the one with the most. Just like I always want to eat the most cookies, right? We know that. So we're going to read this. The lion had less than the toucan. Now let's go to the next question. Did the monkey have less than, more than, or equal to the elephant? Let's see, here's the monkey. The monkey had 1. And here's the elephant. Oh, the elephant had none. So the elephant, or the monkey had more than the elephant. So I'm going to put that alligator mouth so that it wants to eat the monkey because it was more. And we'll read that. The monkey had more than the elephant. All right, last one. Did the zebra have more than, less than, or equal to the tiger? So let's look at the zebra and let's see. Let's count. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3. And how many did the tiger have? 1, 2, 3. So you can see by the graph, they're the same or equal. They are equal, and we know our equal sign looks like that. So the zebra is equal to the tiger. Very nice. And then here's one that you can do on your own, and I will do the first one with you. So again, make sure that you have your name on your paper. There we go. And we're gonna make our math sentence using our graph pictures. So the first one is the zebra. How many did the zebra have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. That's right. 3 plus, and the lion. How many did the lion have? 1. 3 plus 1 equals, if you don't remember, some of you know right away, you could always use your touch math. So we're going to start with the 3, keep the 3 in our head, say 3, and then 4. That's right, you count your touch points. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And now you can fill out the rest and do your math sentences on your own using the graph that we did together. All right, so, or the one that you're gonna do at home with whatever number the dice that you wanna roll. I would suggest maybe rolling it like 15 times so you can get some bigger numbers. But you do what you want, have fun, play the game with your mom or your dad or your brother or your sister or your grandma or your grandpa, and keep working on those math skills, the addition and those bigger concepts like more and less than and equal to. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.